open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM.
Hey Soul fam, it's Dobby and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make a men's bomber jacket. It's going to be featuring some fur sleeves as well as an elastic waistband. So I'm going to show you my take on how I do this. I don't use a pattern. I actually try to use things that I have laying around the house to show me how to make these garments. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the material that I used. Some things I picked up from Joann's. So here I'm just taking a jacket and I'm flipping it inside out, pulling out the sleeves so I can get a great visual of the inside seams of the jacket. Alright, so once it's inside out, I find the center of the jacket, typically where the zipper is, line up the shoulders, and then I'm going to lay that down on a flat surface so I can get a great idea of half of what my pattern's going to be. So now you see me preparing my fabric. I'm folding it in half and then in half again. I'm not sure how to describe it easier, but basically when I'm done, I want it to cut 2 full pieces, a front and a back on a fold. So just kind of watch what I'm doing. I don't know a better way to explain it, guys. Sorry. Alright, now that I have my fabric laid out, I am laying the jacket on, and I'm going to trace the jacket and cut around it with a 1-inch seam allowance. So one thing you'll notice is one of the pattern pieces has a cut down the center. You want to do that so you can insert a zipper in your jacket, and this is going to become the front. Alright, everything that you see me point at, you're going to want to sew, which is the 2 side seams and shoulder seams. So one thing you want to do is go ahead and serge the armholes, the neck hole, as well as the bottom base as well if you have a serger. This just helps for it to look a little bit more professional if it's going to be for a client. Alright, I got this ribbon fabric from Joann's. It looks great at the bottom of jackets. If you want more colors, you would have to look online because Joann only has a few colors. But I'm just going ahead and adding this to the bottom of my jacket, as you'll see. So I was unable to show, but I just traced the collar of the jacket in order to get this piece here. I then flip it inside out and I top stitch it so it stays in place and just has a nice finish around the neckline. Also guys, when you cut out the sleeve, also add a seam allowance there. Here you see that I'm adding a cuff at the base of my fur. I literally just measured my wrist and my hand width just to get a comfortable amount to slide it inside out. And I'm now adding it to the base of the fabric fur sleeve. Alright guys, and here is the finished bomber here. Fur sleeves, working zipper. I love this fabric. It was something I've been eyeing for a while, and I was glad I was able to make something with it. So if you do something with this tutorial as well, I would love to see it. Tag me on my IG at greenwear_designs. So yeah. And of course I had to make one for my daughter to match. Always gotta stay custom. Alright, so if you would like to connect with me on my Instagram, go ahead and follow me at greenwear_designs. Again, it's at greenwear_designs. I would love for you to follow me, and I will follow back, and we can connect there as well. Again, thank you for watching, and bye.